All right, this video is going over question number 8 from homework 11.1. Again, it's really coming down to whether this is the counting principle, permutations, or combinations. And again, counting principle has multiple categories like shirts and pants, or the color of the car and the make of the car or something. Here we have just one category. Again, it's just swimmers, right? So we're picking 3 out of the 8 swimmers to advance. So it's either going to be a permutations or a combinations one, depending on if the order matters. All right, and so this one takes a little bit of knowledge, like sports, or it helps to have that knowledge at least. And so I think here the order does not matter, all right, because you just want to advance to the final. So you don't care, if you come in first, second, or third during this kind of like preliminary swim. So if you just want to advance, if that's only your goal, then it doesn't matter what order you come in. So it becomes a combinations one, 8C3. Okay, and again, to get to this button, you type the 8 first, math, go over to probability, hit the combinations option, and then 3, and then enter. All right, so there's 56 different sets of 3 swimmers that could advance here. So 56 is our answer. Thanks for watching.